Hey, what's going on, traders? Just wanted to do another recap of the NASDAQ session this morning. We do it every single day, Monday through Friday, live in our Telegram and Discord group at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard. So if you guys want to learn trading, and see it live in action, we post in our Telegram and Discord. We literally follow our algorithm that tells you when to buy and sell. It gives you take profit and entry and stop loss uh, positions so that you guys can fully optimize your trading and make it as easy and simple as possible. It's an algorithm for TradingView. You guys can actually get it for free in our link in our bio, so you guys can check it out for yourself and see how accurate it really is. It's all based off machine learning and artificial intelligence. So it's by far, so far, it's been over 42 wins since we've been tracking it, and one loss in the New York session on the first trade that it calls. And on the second trade, I think it's roughly 84 wins in one loss. So it's super accurate, over 90% plus. We've even back tested it, and you guys can utilize this tool as well to back test your own strategies through our backtesting tool we have based around our algorithm. So you guys can optimize your favorite trading pairs, time frames, and all that stuff. It will, backtest the last 10,000 or so candles, so you can actually see the win rate and all that good stuff. We backtested this over, I think it was like over 80 or so trades, and it had over 1,000% return, very low drawdown, under 20%. And you guys can mess around with it. You guys can even find better, 2,000-3,000% returns and 80% win rates with this tool. So, it's just getting rid of the whole forward testing and manual testing, which takes forever. This literally will spit out 10,000 plus candles, hundreds of trades, so you guys can get the data and actually, see better ways to optimize and see different routes to actually go to make your trading better. So it's all in our link in our bio. But I just want to do a quick recap. That's why we're here. Let me do a replay mode, kind of show you what happened today in the New York session for us. I'll replay back until right before the market opened, which is around 9:30. We had this short signal called right around 8:05 in this supply zone / resistance zone. And this essentially would be our demand zone / support zone. Our algorithm actually notifies or generates the support and resistance areas, so you guys can not even have to mark up your charts. So it's very easy to do. As you can see, it does the take profits. We have this trend dashboard. This is version 3.0. We're always constantly updating it and improving it and adding better features for everybody. So if you guys want free access to that, go ahead and check it out. But let's do this replay really quickly so you guys can see what happened. So we had these shorts called. Our algorithm actually also notifies you and gives you alerts on if it's going to break out or not, or what candle is the breakout candle. This one actually, also indicated that we have a bear wick, meaning that, we're more than likely, because of that rejection, that liquidity it grabbed and continue down and close, that we're more than likely going to continue down and break out of this range. And that's exactly what happened. All three take profits were hit. Let me see here. This was over, let me see, depending on when you got in, if you're just getting on the breakout, you're looking at over 50 or so points right there, which is, if you know anything about leverage, that's pretty big. That's really all you need at the end of the day is 1 hour, one trade. Most people or top performing asset classes maybe make 20% on a good year. Every year, long term, spread out over 10 plus years. You could, depending on the way you trade, you could do, a few thousand in months. So trading definitely is limitless as far as how much you can make, but it's also, it's very risky. So I'm not a financial advisor, but it's just education at the end of the day. This is just what works for me. What I post, every single day in our group was working for all of our members as well. I honestly don't think there's a more consistent, trading group out there. I mean, we're posting live every day with the algorithm. You can see it for yourself at your house. It's very accurate. It's all based off of, like I said, artificial intelligence. So it's very accurate. And if you guys learn our strategy with this software, I personally believe that it will help improve your trading greatly. We teach all of our members to not only utilize the software, but to mark out your supply and demand zones, do top-down analysis so you guys can actually understand the overall direction of the market. And just use this as another confirmation with your own technical analysis. So let's continue on. And then as you can see, over a few hundred points it dropped. We got a long signal, continued back up, reached that supply zone again, very close to TP1. Could have took profits anywhere along the way. Short signal, as you can see here, we did have this false signal against the trend. That's what this green line is for. It's to literally tell you that the market's trending up. So to avoid false signals, you want to try to, basically trade with the trend, or make sure that when you're doing buys, it's green, and if you're doing sells, it's red, just to avoid that. But as you guys can see, it also gave us another long signal on the breakout, and then we got this, huge breakout up here to the at the top, and then you guys can take profits anywhere you guys like. We had this manipulation. This usually happens to grab liquidity to continue down. Banks do this all the time, and then we got this manipulation. We trapped all the long holders, and then we dropped back in. You would also call this like a fake out, and let's see what happened. Then you guys could have caught this as well, and bam, right off of our TP1 area right there, it bounced, and now we're getting this on the 5-minute. Now we're getting these long signals. So it also even called the breakout candle. So this is super accurate, definitely a game changer. I would love to get everybody access to this for free. All you have to do is go to our Telegram, our Discord group, comment your trading view name, and we'll get you guys free access for 7 days, so you guys can see for yourself how accurate it is. We'll also let you guys utilize our backtesting tool as well. You guys can backtest thousands of trades versus having to do it manually. As far as seeing pin bars, for example, on the 5-minute on gold. What's the statistics from 9:30 to 10:30, and you could spit that through hundreds of trades and see if it's profitable. And then you guys could automate that with an EA or a bot that we can create you, or you guys can get somebody else to make you. It's totally up to you guys. But we have an AI division, and we also fund traders up to $2 million who can show consistency. And even if you guys program EAs around these strategies, we help give you guys the quantitative data on. You guys can trade with our capital, so you don't have to risk any of your own, which is huge. Most traders don't really even understand that. And honestly, even if you're new to trading and you guys never learned trading before, this process is super simple, super easy. Literally 1 hour a day, one trade. Monday, one day, Monday through Friday. And then you'll see how crazily you guys can compound your account, how accurate it is, the potential you can make. And a lot of people ask, why do you, sell this if you're making so much money trading? And it's like, I do this to, give back and, help others do exactly what this has kind of afforded me to do. And I just love to help other people. At the end of the day, it's a lot more fulfilling to help others kind of get out their modern day, and I guess you would say modern day slave jobs, and kind of get out the 9 to 5 by just working 1 hour a day by utilizing our strategy. And if you can stick to it, we can't guarantee future results, but from our analytics so far, it's very profitable, very consistent, over a 90% win rate. Literally tells you when to buy the markets and sell the markets. You have to wait for candles to break and utilize this the correct way, but this software will simplify your trading and investing. It's a game changer. You guys can get access to it. You can go to legacyalgo.com if you guys want to learn more about it. Definitely get it for free for the 7 days. Put it on your chart, and just utilize it with your own technical analysis and see if it helps. It helps a lot of people avoid, as you can see up here at the top, it helps a lot of people avoid getting up in here at the top and getting trapped, because you don't have any signals to indicate that we're going to continue back up. You did have this 5-minute down here to get that quick scalp, but you can zoom in to, for example, the 30-second and kind of see it was giving you short signals up here at the top. So if you were to utilize this algorithm and it's all fractal, then this would have prevented you from even getting in there, getting in up here. And then also, you guys, as you can see, could take advantage of every time frame. So depending on if you're a scalper, swing trader, day trader, investor, it works on all time frames and pairs. And I'd love to, have you guys part of the trade group. It's bigger than money to us. We just want to build an amazing quality trading community that we help get funded, and that we can all just kill lives together. What's the point of having money if you have no one to share it with? That's how we look at it. So check it out, legacyalgo.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube. We're on Legacy Algo on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and yeah, we even have a trading community on the website. You can download the app. We post in there as well, a private Facebook page as well. Once you guys get access to the algorithm, you guys will have access to that, and so much more. We constantly update the algorithm all the time. This is version 3.0. We just generated the AI supply and demand zones, support and resistance zones, breakout notification candles, etc. So yeah, check it out, legacyalgo.com, and yeah, until next time. Thanks.